Right, as you can see, I've converted the gallery to this. Let me go back and I'll show you what I did, how I picked this particular style. I clicked on convert here, and then I picked out the type of pages I wanted, and I come down to here and I picked on this menu. But how you pick your menu is you hover over and it will show you what it'll look like. There are all different image menus, and I mean, this image menu is nice, but it's not what I want. So this is more what I want to put on the page, and I'll show you why when I've converted to it. So I'll convert again and we'll start again. Okay, now as you can see, I've got go to page on here. Now what this go to page is the 1, 2, 3, and I want to change the names of them first. Now the go to page 1, I want that to be under the 4 to 8 year olds. Okay, we'll ignore the link for a minute because that's not been done yet. I'll show you in a minute how we're going to do them. So I've saved that. Then we go to the next one, go to page 2. That will be 8 to 16 year olds, and we'll click save on that. And then the next one is going to be 14 to 19 years old. 14 to 19 year olds. Okay, now I'm not going to be using this 14 to 19 HTML because I've already used that on About Us, and that's not the page I want to use, so I'm going to have to make new pages for this. So let's go back to done and come back to the other screen, because I want to make a new page. So what we do, we add new pages. We're in the add new pages, and I want to do plus. So I'm adding a new page. Okay, here we go. Now I'll add a blank page here. Next, and we're going to call it 4 to 8 images. Oops. Images. HTML. 4 to 8. Oops. 4 to 8. Yeah, right then. 4 to 8 images. HTML. Create. Now, we've then got to go in and edit the 4 to 8. There it is, 4 to 8 images. It's been automatically selected for me, so I'm going to click edit. Okay. Now in design, I'm going to firstly put sorry, wrong one. In design I'm going to, that's right, sorry, that's right, we'll have black, and insert, and no, let's images of 4 to 8 year old and what we cover in the curriculum. Okay, now under that we put, now we're going to, I would put this bold, and I will put it line center, and I don't think we can do any, is it? Yeah, font size. So we'll up the font size to 6 and insert, and there you go. images about 4 to 8 year olds and what we cover in the curriculum. That's asking me, of course it's 2 hours. And that I want to add to dictionary because it is good in English. Images of our 4 to 8 year olds and what we cover in the curriculum. Now, I want to just add my images. So if you click on this, you'll be taken again to your resource manager, and 4 to 8, there's one, and I'll choose that one first. Okay, and then underneath this we will put the title of this picture. So I'm going to pause this while I look for this one here. The site is called In a Net. So we'll do that. I think we'll do the color of that red. Let's have a look how it comes up as red, deep red. Insert, and I think we'll have it as bold. Right, there you go. So we'll have that scarlety type red, or whatever you want to call it, pinky red or whatever. And then we put the next one. We do a next picture, and this will be number 2, 4 to 8. Where is it? 2. I thought I brought it up. Yeah, 2. This is not really home skills. Yeah, I'll put this as cooking, I think. So we'll choose that one, and underneath this we will put cooking. Cooking, and then again we'll change the color to one of them, whatever it was, and then insert. So I didn't do the bold, so we've got to keep it the same. So then we'll go a bit down lower, and we'll put in our next one, 4 to 8. So number 3, 4 to 8, which is ITC actually this is called. So we'll choose this, click in and choose this, and we'll come down and we call this ITC, and again we're going to bold it and color it, and the same color as before, and insert, and then next one will be number 4, 4 to 8, and click choose. And this one, the site called Simply Digger, D-I-G-G-E-R, Digger, is because it's a child playing with a digger. Again we click the same one, insert, and we'll bold it, and then we look for another one, and we'll go for image 5, and click choose. This is called growing plants. So we come down, this is called growing plants, and again we go to do bold and pick the same color, insert, and the next one is 5. That was 5. The next one is number 6, and this is just named light. So we'll go light. This is the teaching them about light, which is I think very good. And insert, and I don't know if there's any more, but I'll just do a let's have a little look to see. I don't think there's a 7th picture. No, that's it. Okay, so we cancel this, and we save this, successfully saved, and click done. Now what we've done here now, up to now, is we've added the gallery, okay, tab 3, which is there, and this is 4 to 8 year olds. If they click on the 4 to 8 year olds, I must change that picture as well. Oh, I didn't go in, so we've got to go in there, and this is now 4 to 8 images. So let me show you how we do that. We edit that, we come back in, we wait for this to come up here, 4 to 8 year olds, and the link for this is not now what's on there. The link is actually 4 to 8 images HTML. Click save. Again, don't forget to click save. Click done. And now we'll test it now, and it should go into the page we want. I must change this. I'll show you how to change this as well. 4 to 8 year olds. Click on that, and there we've got our images of 4 to 8 year olds and what they learn. Okay, so let's go back. I've now got to go back into tab 3 and change this picture, and I could put it as the one in the net, I think. Edit, header image. The header image is got to be our excuse me, header image is still got to be our header ping. Where are we? Header top ping, that's the one. Choose. Okay, so we've got that. Now we want to change this one, so image at the top, this image I'm going to use this one, I think, with a net, in a net. Yeah, that'll be a lovely one. Choose. Okay, as you can see, it's now click save, successfully saved and done. And there's this image of in a net, 4 to 8 year olds, and then images, and then it tells them that's in a net. It tells them that cooking, it tells them ITC, these are what's covered, and that's it. That's exactly what we need. So I will click done, and that's I will come back and finish this later on. So I'll stop this now.